वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली सावूद आनी भलायकेन. So today I am come on my YouTube cooking channel with idlis. Many people know idlis. So I am going to do regular idli, that is rice idli, and I'm going to make it in a bigger shape also and smaller shape. So bigger shapes are known as Thatte Idli over here, okay, in India. So whatever you have to steam it, you can do it in that. So I am going to use a stand which is a bigger idlis. So first thing what we need, so we need 2.5 cup idli rice. You can take regular rice also, but idli rice is better. So this is 1 cup measurement. So we need 2.5 cup. So this is 2. So 2.5. So 2.5 cup of idli rice. So ओडेस मापा हांवें इडलीचे तांदूळ घेतला. तुम्ही रेशनाचे तांदवांनी करूं येता, बऱ्यो जाता इडली रेशनाचे तांदवांनी. Then half cup of urad dal. 2 3/4 cup is flattened rice, that is poha. 3/4 cup of tapioca and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, that is methi. So we'll wash this all nicely. This is my style, what I am doing. You can soak all these things separately and then grind, but I am going to mix all this together, soak it together and then grind to a thick paste. So for 6 hours now we have to soak this, okay, for 6 hours to 8 hours. Then we have to grind it to a thick batter and using less water because it is idlis and not dosa. But this batter can be used for dosa too. And then we are going to grind this and then keep it overnight or leave it overnight for fermenting till next morning. And tomorrow morning we will be doing our idlis, steam our idlis, okay. So till then I will wash now. So after washing nicely, now I will be soaking this till evening for 6 to 8 hours and then grind it to a fine paste. I will show you the fine paste also. A very good morning to you all, and this is my batter after overnight. So I had to put it into 2 in this because quantity had become nicely more, and this is the second one, okay. So now I can make out of this batter idlis, dosas, uttapa. I will be making like this only when I make. And this is my Thatte Idli stand which my friend gifted me. So you have to apply oil for each and then put water, sufficient water, and first boil the water, then put this inside and then cover it and high flame for 15 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes, okay. And apply oil for the entire, or you can put some plastics. These days you are getting some molds like to, or you can put banana leaf down, whatever you want to, or directly apply oil and put this, okay. Is my water is getting hot for idlis to get steam. Then here also I'll be keeping in 2. So I'll be making in this and this, apply oil and keep. normal oil. Just oil it nicely. Okay, for all. So this is the batter. Now we'll add salt to this. Salt to taste. And we will nicely mix this. And we will put it in our plates. It's ready to go now in a steamer to steam for around 15 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes. High flame for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, and this is the next lot. So exactly after 15 minutes our idlis are ready, nice fluffy. Okay, I'll put off the gas. It's done. You can test it like this by putting like this. It's clean, so it is done. Put off the gas, and then we'll remove it once it's cooled down. Same way with this also. So let's here are my idlis ready, all cooked nicely. So all done. Okay, so let's demold this. They are fluffy, hot. Okay, they are very fluffy and hot. So I'm going to enjoy this today. They are so fluffy and soft it is. Very spongy it is. So enjoy with sambar and chutney, and just enjoy. So I'll show you one. See this fluffiness, nicely done. Just dip this in this and have it. Enjoy. Thank you so much. So this is with that Thatte Idli stand. So smooth. They are so soft. इतले सारखे फुसफुशीत न्हू तुम्ही कोरात आनी खायात. जे हांव तुमकां सांगता पळय ते करूनच पळयात आनी खायात. आनी सारके फ्लफी सॉफ्ट सारके. तर तुम्ही इतली स्टँड आहात जाल्यार इतली स्टँडान घालात, आनी हितून करूंक जाय जाल्यार हितून करात. आनी हेका म्हणटात ताते इडली, व्हडल्यो इडल्योज. ओके, सॉफ्ट सारके सॉफ्ट. So hope you will all enjoy this. Thank you. Enjoy your Thatte Idlis, regular Idlis, Thatte Idlis. So huge. One is enough. Yummy and delicious. मानदार तुमकां सगळ्यांगे आवडटलें हे सांबार चटणी आनी आमची ताते इडली म्हणजे व्हडल्यो इडली सान्नां भाशी. फकत सान्नान आमी सूर घालता आनी हितून आमी उरड दाल घालता आनी बाकीचें घातलां पळय तें फ्लफी अँड यम्मी अँड डिलिशियस. It's very, very, very fluffy and delicious. Try and make this recipe. Thank you for our friend Dominic and his mom and grandmother and auntie who gave this and shared this special recipe of idlis. Thank you.